Igbo man dey hustle for Lagos, Yoruba boy dey school for Kano, Hausa trader for Onitsha market.
Hello my favorite people, I hope you're doing great. In this video I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how exactly you are going to generate a long video. When I say long, yes, I mean a longer video using AI. Most of this AI you cannot use most of these AIs for free to generate a longer video, but this AI is absolutely free and you can use this AI to generate longer videos. All right, and this AI also got some amazing features that I'm going to show you. And the video I just played for you guys, the video I use this AI to generate the videos, and the music on that video I use a different AI called Minimax AI. It's a music generating AI. I use that AI to generate this Afro song, so I cut from the song I generated using that AI. And I have made a video on how exactly you are going to generate music using that AI. I have made a video. The video is here on my YouTube. It is the last video after this one. It is the last video before this one. All right, so what we are going to do here is, first of all, you need to come here, open any browser you have. If you have any browser, just go directly to the browser and write the name of this AI. The name of the AI is Nextify AI. Nextify. All right, as you can see, it's Nextify. All right, it's Nextify. Sorry, it's not UI. Nextify. It's Nextify.ai. Nextify.ai. This is the exact name of the AI. Then you need to go. All right, then you need to open this AI. All right, when it opens, I'm going to show you step by step how you are going to do it. Whether you can use this on a laptop computer, you can do this with your mobile phone. All right, you can do it with any of that. So as you can see here is the AI. So on this AI, one thing I didn't tell you about this AI, you can generate a lot of adverts. If you want to make an advert video, this AI is the perfect for you. As you can see, this is our many advert videos that are generated using AI. If you have a business and you want to advertise that video using AI, this is the perfect AI for you to do your advert. All right, so I'm going to just make a normal video just for you guys to see, and for you to see the process on how exactly you are going to do it. All right, so as you can see, they say generate your first video. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just generate, and it is going to take me to the part where you can generate whatever you want to generate. As you can see, here is the page here. So when you look here, let me change the font into a different view. All right, so as you can see, this is how it looks from the inside. So as you can see, when you look here, this is where you are going to upload your photo. You know, one thing you need to learn about AI is most of AI, if you want to generate video, you need to provide a photo or a picture. If you generate a very good photo of how you want you need to learn how to generate photo. I have made a video on how to generate photo using prompts with AI, probably using ChatGPT or the Google Gemini. So when you get your photo, and if you want to use actual or real photo, you can use actual photo image. Yes, I'm talking about image. If you want to use an actual or normal image of something, you can go directly and use the image of anything you want to use. All right, so as you can see, I'm going to upload the photo I'm going to use, the image. So I'm going to choose from files, photo library. I'm going to the photo library, and from there I'm going to choose a photo here. All right, so as you can see, this is the photo I used before on making that video. All right, so as you can see, I'm uploading the photo. Heads up, we detected a real person, so even this AI think that photo is a real person, so you can just cancel this. Yes, it's a real person, whatever. So what you are going to do right now here is you rate whatever you want. This image is a photo of a man walking, but it's just an image. So using this AI, can make that photo, the man or the character in this image, do whatever you want it to do, but you have to write it here. What do you want the character in this image to do? So if I say keep walking, make the character, make the character in the image to be walking. You see, this is it. This is what I want. If you have anything you want the AI to do, if you want the camera to be from above using drone camera, if you want the camera to be from the back, if you want him to run, if you want him to be shaking hands with people, if you want him to do whatever you want your character to do, you give the character, you ask that character to do it for you. All right, so and the parts of where you are going to make your video a bit longer or shorter, which is absolutely free, like I said, is here. When you look here, as you can see, when you look here, this is the ratio. 9:16 is the ratio, and when you look here in the middle is the time in seconds. So when you touch the time in seconds, as you can see, time duration, that is duration. Then you press on duration. As you can see, they have almost up to 15 seconds. In most of these AIs, only this AI can give you 10 seconds. You can use this AI to generate a 10 seconds video. Most of the AIs is 6 seconds, some 5 seconds, some 7, less than 10, but this AI can give you 10 for free and 15. As you can see, I can even use 15 seconds. All right, so if you have like 3 photos, 5 photos, every photo will make you 15 seconds video. So when you have like 10 photos and you make 15 seconds times 10, you are going to get what? 150 minutes video. So what do you think of that? It's going to be 150 seconds video, long video. All right, so this is how to generate videos, longer videos using AI. This AI is the best for that. So what you are going to do, I'm going to leave it at 10 seconds and I'm going to generate here. So when you press generate, it's only take you few seconds, few minutes. It will take you around like 4 to 5 minutes sometimes, depend on your Wi-Fi and your network. All right, then it is going to generate. It is actually free, like I said, it is free, all right, to use. So I'm going to press OK here and I'm going to press generate. As you can see here, then you press generate again. Look down here, you see generate. As you can see, when you press on generate here, it is, as you can see, tax generated successfully. So as you can see, it is generating. Look at it here, it is generating. As I'm going to show you the results we have got from this, making this video. I think this is easy. All right, this is easy about this tutorial. The name of the AI is Nextify.ai, and as you can see, the step by step is easy. Everything here is easy, nothing is complicated. All right, and for those who are going to make advert videos also, you can check on the advert parts. And this is, I think this is the only AI I've seen with that very and well arranged videos and category of videos. This AI is, I think, is very good. It's perfect. You can explore more on this AI. All right, using this AI is absolutely free and it is easy. All right, so let me show you the video if the video is ready.
Those fruits, boss. Sweet oranges.
Maybe later, thanks.
Those fruits, boss. Sweet oranges.
Maybe later, thanks.
And at the end, I want to say thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, I'm going to keep bringing more tutorials, easy tutorials that everyone can understand using AI. All right, thank you for watching this video and peace out.